Hi, Magnolia. Thanks for joining me for Sound of the Week. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song so everyone knows it's time. Ready? Sound of the Week. 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 Our sound this week is th. I hear th in thunder, and I hear th in thigh. I wonder what you hear th in. I have a visitor today. Let's trace th. It's made up of two pink sandpaper letters. I see t and I see h. T and h together say th. I'm going to trace it. Watch. Let's get out our invisible pencils and trace th. Ready, Violet? Do you have an invisible pencil? I'm going to make a big one first. And a teeny tiny one. And another big one I can't resist. And a medium-sized one. Ready? Okay, I brought something for Sound of the Week. I brought this cat. This cat. Let's look in the basket. Oh, and see what you brought.